Hey, what's up guys? It's Aaron here, back with another video, and today I'm going to talk about these leaked images of Apple's up-and-coming AirPods 3. Now, these images were leaked a couple of days ago by Gizmo China, a technology website based out of China, and Twitter user Leaks Apple Pro. And I do find these images quite interesting because if these are legit, they represent a pretty significant departure from the aesthetics, the design of the original AirPods and the AirPods 2 towards something a little more resembling the AirPods Pro. Now, since these images have been out for a few days, many people, many YouTubers, news analysts, they've had a chance to comment on these images, and to be honest, some of the things that they've said I'm pretty skeptical about. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you my own take about what these images are actually telling us about the AirPods 3, and also I'm going to give you some predictions about what I think some of the AirPods 3's features are going to be. And if you guys want to stay tuned for more videos from this channel about AirPods 3 related news, leaks, and rumors, please subscribe and ring the notifications bell because this is the only way YouTube will notify you of new content from this channel. Okay, so let's take a look at the images. As we can see, the AirPods 3, or what we believe to be the AirPods 3, looks a lot like the AirPods Pro in many ways. The oblong shape of its earbuds, the shorter stem compared to the stem of the AirPods 2. But as we can see from the pictures, it is not a one-to-one copy of the AirPods Pro. For example, it doesn't come with silicone in-ear tips. Now, some websites like Gizmo China, What Hi-Fi, they said that the AirPods 3 could very well come with silicone in-ear tips like the AirPods Pro, but looking at the earbuds, there doesn't seem to be a mechanism that allows you to attach replaceable silicone in-ear tips like the AirPods Pro. And another reason why I don't think it's gonna come with in-ear tips is its case. Its case looks a little more like the case of the AirPods version 1, AirPods version 2. It's a little more squarish and a little more narrow than the case of the AirPods Pro. And if you look at how the earbuds sit in the case, there seems to be very little space in between. Definitely not enough to accommodate a pair of silicone in-ear tips. That stands in very stark contrast to how the AirPods Pro sits in its case. You'll notice that not only is there space to accommodate silicone ear tips, you've got space left between the earbuds. This is why I simply don't believe that the AirPods 3 is gonna come with in-ear tips like the AirPods Pro, no matter what the website says. And the lack of ear tips brings us to the next question. Will the AirPods 3 have active noise cancellation? I, for one, don't think so. Because I feel that the AirPods 3 is gonna follow the same open ear concept as the AirPods 2 and the AirPods 1 before it. I think it's simply gonna allow ambient sound to flow through. It is not gonna do any kind of noise blocking or noise cancellation because in order for active noise cancellation to work, you gotta have a good seal that the earbud creates with your ear canal. Brands like Samsung, Huawei, they've tried to achieve that noise cancellation without in-ear tips, and it didn't work. So I don't care what anybody says, but it is simply not possible to do active noise cancellation properly without in-the-ear ear tips. Apple probably knows that already, so I highly doubt that they're even going to try to put noise cancelling in the AirPods 3 in the first place. But what about other features like IPX4 water resistance rating? Is the AirPods 3 going to be just as water resistant as the AirPods Pro? This is entirely reasonable because the AirPods 3, after all, has just about the same form factor as the AirPods Pro, right? So it is perfectly reasonable to expect it to have the same IPX4 rating. And there are rumors that the AirPods 3 is gonna have light sensors inside for fitness tracking. I don't think so. I highly doubt that because to me, the AirPods 3 isn't, or rather it doesn't really look like it's geared towards the fitness crowd. Like if I was somebody who wants to buy a pair of earbuds for working out, I wouldn't pick the AirPods 3 because number one, it doesn't have stability fins. And number two, it doesn't even have in-ear tips to stabilize the earbuds when working out. So if I were somebody looking to buy something for working out, AirPods 3 is out of the equation. And number two, putting light sensors or fitness tracking features in the AirPods 3 is simply gonna make the AirPods Pro look bad. And the AirPods Pro is Apple's champion product, their star product. So unless Apple is gonna release a new version of the AirPods Pro with fitness tracking with light sensors, I don't think they're gonna do that with the AirPods 3. But I am expecting the AirPods 3 to come with many of the same features as the AirPods Pro. Features like wireless charging, IPX4 water resistance like what I mentioned earlier, and also Apple's H1 Bluetooth chip. It is a Class 1 Bluetooth chip that ensures faster and more seamless integration with iOS devices along with lower gaming audio latency. You're also going to get some features that were recently unveiled for the AirPods Pro, features like spatial audio and seamless switching. If you want to know more about these features, check out this video over here. I'm also expecting the AirPods 3 to be similar to the Pros in terms of battery life, meaning to say that the 3s might have a battery life of up to 4.5 hours in the earbuds with an extra 19.5 hours of charge in its charging case. And also in terms of its control scheme, that force touch sensor on the stem looks like something that the 3s will come with. So to pause and play your music and also perform other functions like activating transparency mode, you simply have to squeeze the stem of the earbuds. In other words, I'm expecting the 3s to be similar to the AirPods Pro in practically every way, except for lack of noise cancellation and lack of in-ear tips. So that's all I have to say about what I think of these leaks about the AirPods 3. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below if you think I'm on the money or if I've missed a couple of things. Either way, like I said before, if you want to stay tuned for more content from this channel about the AirPods 3, more videos about news, leaks, and any such information, please subscribe and ring the notifications bell because this is the only way YouTube will notify you of new content from this channel. And when the AirPods 3 finally arrives in the market, I will be among the first to review that. So if you don't want to miss that video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please show that you like this video by punching that like button and sharing this video with your friends and family. Also, a big shout out to my patrons who are currently supporting this channel through the crowdfunding website Patreon by contributing $1 or more per month. Thank you guys so much. You guys are awesome. If you guys want to support this channel through Patreon, I've got the link in my description box. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next video.